Potty training your dog is an essential part of responsible pet ownership. It can take time and patience, but with the right approach, you can successfully potty train your dog. Here are some steps to help you get started. Establish a routine. Establish a routine for your dog's feeding, drinking, and potty breaks. This will help your dog learn when to expect to go outside to use the bathroom. Choose a designated potty area. Choose a designated area in your yard or outside your home where your dog can go to the bathroom. This will help your dog learn where they should go. Monitor your dog's behavior. Watch for signs that your dog needs to go outside, such as sniffing, circling, or whining. Take your dog outside immediately when you notice these behaviors. Use positive reinforcement. When your dog goes to the bathroom outside, praise them and give them a treat. This will reinforce the behavior and encourage them to continue going outside. Limit access to the house. Until your dog is fully potty trained, limit their access to the house. This can mean keeping them in a crate or a confined area when you're not home or supervising them closely when they're inside. Clean up accidents immediately. If your dog has an accident inside, clean it up immediately with an enzymatic cleaner. This will help eliminate any odor and discourage your dog from going in that spot again. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to potty training. Stick to your routine and don't give up if your dog has accidents. It takes time and patience to train a dog. Gradually increase freedom. As your dog becomes more reliable with potty training, gradually give them more freedom in the house. This can mean leaving them out of their crate for longer periods of time or allowing them access to more areas. Watch for regression. Even well-trained dogs can have accidents, especially if they're feeling stressed or anxious. Watch for signs of regression and be prepared to go back to basics if needed. Seek professional help if needed. If you're struggling with potty training or your dog has a particularly difficult time, don't be afraid to seek professional help. A dog trainer or behaviorist can provide guidance and support to help you and dog. In summary, potty training your dog requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. By establishing a routine, using designated potty areas, and rewarding good behavior, you can successfully train your dog to go outside. Remember to be patient and consistent, and seek professional help if needed. With time and effort, your dog will become a reliable and well-trained member of your family. If you want a brain training for dogs, click on link in description for unique dog training course. Click now.